Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome to the Custom Adventurist. So today I'll be comparing the AirPods Pro to the Heylou GT1s. Alright, so I'll be using the CA scoring method 2.0 to compare these two. Alright, getting right into the packaging of the headphones. They both come in small little boxes. They both have images of the headphones on the front of their boxes. The GT1s definitely have more colorful packaging. On the sides for the GT1s they have some specs for the product, but they're in a different language, so yeah. The AirPods have Apple logos and the name on the top. For the back on the GT1s they have more information and some of it's even in English. For the AirPods you get an image of the headphones on the back. Removing the little cover paper for the GT1s, you get a box, then opening that you get to the headphones. For the AirPods you remove the lid, then you get the Design by Apple in California insert. Then after that you get the headphones. For the GT1s, after you remove the headphones there's a manual and a warranty card. Then after that you get a cable and extra ear tips. For the AirPods you get extra ear tips and a charger. Now for the design of the cases. They both come in pretty different cases, but they're pretty similar when it comes to size. The GT1s in the hand definitely feel much cheaper, but for the price I definitely have seen worse. One thing the GT1s have on the AirPods is you can get them in two colors, white and black. They have their logo on the top of the case. The AirPods have a slightly different design for the case. It's like a flattened out version of the GT1s kinda. But they are the same size lengthwise. The GT1s use micro USB to charge, where the AirPods use lightning cable. The GT1s stay down with magnets just like the AirPods. But I would definitely say the lid on the AirPods feels much higher quality. One of the main things I look for in a case for wireless earbuds is, does it easily fit in your pocket? And both of them pass this test. Now for the design of the earbuds. Holding the two side by side, the AirPods definitely feel higher quality. Their plastic just seems sturdier and just better. Now the AirPods have all sorts of grills and ear sensors all over the headphone. But for the GT1s they just have a very simple design bud. It's just like a jelly bean shaped body with a stem at the end of it. For me personally, they fit really well in the ear. They have two conductor metal parts on the underside and the side indicator. There's also a little LED below the plastic, but it only appears really when you put it in the case and remove it from the case. But after those initial things, it will just turn off automatically. The AirPods have that infamous stem where they have their touch functions with a taptic pad on the side. On the GT1s, you just tap the side and the touch functions do their thing. One thing I will say is they can be a little unreliable. They both do come with exchangeable ear tips so you can adjust your fit. Now for the price of the two. If you haven't guessed yet, these GT1s are very affordable. You can get them for around $30 US. Very cheap. But for the AirPods on the other hand, they go for $250. Quite a contrast. Now for the audio quality. After listening to the two side by side for a while, this is my conclusion. I was surprised at how similar they sounded. The AirPods costing so much more, there really wasn't that large of a difference to me. The AirPods were a bit punchier in the bass and the vocals, but the sound was very comparable. For me, I was surprised at how little the difference was. Now for the battery life of the two. The AirPod can get around 4 to 5 hours of audio playback, with an additional 24 hours with the case. For the GT1s, you can get 3 hours of audio playback, with an additional 9 hours with the case. Now for the connectivity. Alright, so now I'll be testing the pairing and the connection process between the two headphones. Alright, we're going to start with the iPhone, and we're going to do the Heylou GT1s. So you open the case, pull them out of the case. They should pop up right at the bottom. There we go. Nope. Then you click on them, and boom, connected. Now for the AirPods Pro, open the case, press the button down. Alright, and just like that, we're paired. Alright, now we got the Android phone right here, and we're going to start with the Heylous. Wait, I just saw them. Where did they go? Boom. And just like that, we are paired. Now for the AirPods. Alright. Now we are paired. Okay, so now we're going to see how long it takes for them to connect to the phone when you're pulling them out of the case. We're going to start with the Android phone on this one. So let's get the Heylous. Connected. Now for the AirPods. Connected. Alright, starting with the AirPods. Alright. Now for the Heylous. Alright. Alright, so now we're measuring how far the two headphones can get from the phone before they start disconnecting or anything like that. Let's do it! Now for the mic quality. Alright, so in my ears right now are the AirPods Pro, and this is the mic quality you can expect from them. Testing, 1, 2, 3. I hope they sound pretty good. They should be a step up from the previous generation. And yeah, I will also be including the background noise, and we're going to see how they do with that. Ready, get set, go. Alright, now we have background noise of a stadium, and hopefully it sounds pretty good still, and you can just hear me talking. And yeah, so testing, 1, 2, 3. Turn the volume up even more, as high as it can go. And yeah, let's go. Alright, so in my ears right now are the Heylou GT1s, and this is my quality you can expect from them. Testing, 1, 2, 3. They're just in my ears as if I'd be like on a phone call or something like that. So testing, 1, 2, 3. I will also be including the stadium crowd sound effects in the background to see how it compares to that. So let's be starting that in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so now we have the crowd effects in the background. And this is my quality you can expect from them. Testing, 1, 2, 3. As you can still hear my voice too, all just walking. And yeah, so let's just put the crowd noise in the background and we'll look in my ears, and yeah. Now for the features and cool things about the headphones. Okay, so this area is pretty much where the AirPods kill the GT1s. The AirPods just have tons of convenient features that the GT1 just doesn't. They have ear sensors that pause the music when you take them out of your ears. They have Hey Siri support, they have wireless charging, they have noise cancellation and ambient mode. Now the GT1 doesn't have any of those features, but what it does have is automatic pairing. It does have somewhat of noise cancellation due to the seal that it makes around where you stick it in your ear. It goes in your ear canal and it shuts off most of the noise. They have touch functions, and the touch functions are single tap to play / pause, double tap to skip songs, triple tap to go to the previous songs. The AirPods are single squeeze to play / pause, double squeeze to skip the song, and triple squeeze to go to the previous song, and squeeze and hold to switch between ambience and noise cancellation. Now for my personal opinion. Alright, so this is my personal opinion about these headphones. Personally, I do like these Heylous. They're pretty good. They're really cheap. They sound pretty good. They connect right away. They have a good case that fits nicely in your pocket. Overall, I really like these. AirPods, you know, everybody knows them. They're really great. But I really do think that these did kind of compete with the AirPods. Not in like the features or anything, but In a lot of ways, it did compete. Mainly like the audio quality, just because like that's one of the biggest deals, and they actually competed in that area. Bravo. Definitely recommend the Heylous. Be sure to check them out. Oh yeah, and if you wonder what they look like in my ears, make sure to like, subscribe, and peace.